Welcome to the first day of FESPA Global Print Expo 2023, Europe's leading printing and signage exhibition.
From all of us who have come here from across the world, welcome, welcome, welcome to FESPA Global Print Expo.
I truly appreciate the opportunities that FESPA event give us to connect with one another.
Experience the latest innovations in printing, including wide format, digital, screen, textile, direct-to-garment, embroidery, and much more.
This is one of the biggest in the world. That's why we come halfway across the world to see what we can find.
To come here and see what all of the things that are made out of sustainable goods is a good thing for me.
It's just showcasing the world's best. So for us, it is the variety, it is the size, and you've got the world leaders here.
Most big things happen in Europe or America, and we had to make a big trip to come here. So if anything's happening, it's happening here.
Register now and visit us here at Messe Munich from the 23rd to the 26th of May. We really look forward to seeing you.